the recording. Okay, so you will going to get a different types of what is that reports, okay, in the ERP side, but in EWM side, whatever the deliveries are created or rejected or how many are under the process, to check everything, we will going to get only one reporting tool, that is called as a warehouse monitor. Okay, so this is you can say this warehouse monitor is coming under the report in the RISEF object. Okay, you already know what you mean by RISEF. Okay, in this RISEF object we have already seen whatever the bin upload program is there. Okay, bin upload program we have discussed now. If you are considering the bin upload program, under which particular RISEF object the bin upload program you can see bin upload. It is in the conversion. Okay. Conversion. We're going to get the bin upload program in the conversion. But this whatever the warehouse monitor we're going to see today, this comes under the reports. Okay. This comes under the reports. Okay. So how we're going to go to the warehouse monitor? Okay, I'll just open up my SAP here. Okay, go to the SAP menu, logistics, and SCM EWM. Okay, here for the first node is monitor. Okay, just click on this, or else the T code is /SCWM/MON. Okay, this is the monitor. Double click on this. See, we have to put our warehouse number. Okay, so and the monitor. Okay, standard monitor will be available, and you can able to create your own monitor also. If you want to create some G reports and all, you will going to create your own monitor and going to do that. Okay, it is possible, but we are going with the standard monitor. Okay, so warehouse number I said. Okay, we're going to put the warehouse number. Ours is 1100, and monitor is SAP is the monitor, standard monitor. Okay, I'll just execute this. Here, this is one what is that screen which you will going to get once you are going to see the warehouse monitor. And if you, I'll just take the screenshot of this. Okay, so if I'm opening this, here I am getting some different areas. Okay, some different areas. This area we're going to call it as a node area. Okay, this is we're going to call it as a node area. Okay, and coming towards the right side, whatever the area you are seeing here, we're going to get the details. Okay, this is called as a detail area. Okay, this is called as a 1 minute. Details area, but under the details area we're going to what is that means we're going to make a 2 parts within the details area. Okay, we're going to check that when we're going to do that. Okay, so this is what the node area is all about, and this is the details area. Okay, and I will just go to my SAP screen. Here I will just minimize everything. So these are the different nodes what we are having. These are the different nodes what we are having. Here nodes are of 2 types. Okay, in the warehouse monitor we are getting the node area and details area. Okay, this details area is again biparted into, means it is segregated into parent area and child area. We're going to see it. Okay, so after the once I'm going to see it, okay, how details area is bifurcated, we're going to see it. Okay, so in this node area we're going to get the different nodes. Different nodes are what? Like outbound, inbound, physical inventory, documents, stock and bin, resource management. Okay, labor management. All these things are the different nodes what we will going to get. Okay, these are the different nodes. Under these nodes only we will going to get the, or we will going to be having the nodes as two types. Okay, nodes are in two types. Okay, what are the two types of nodes? One is the category node. Category node. Second is the profile node. So you may ask me, okay, what is the category node? How we can able to differentiate it, and what is the profile node like that? If you can ask it. See, if you double click on any node, okay, if it is not open to enter the selection parameters, if it is not open to enter the selection parameters, then it is called as the category node. Okay. And what is the profile node? If I'm double clicking on these nodes, okay, it should open the what is that? Open to enter the selection parameters. That is what we're going to call it as a profile node. Okay, and we're going to see category node is the we will call it as a parent node. Under that, we're going to get the profile nodes. Okay, whatever the nodes you are seeing here, outbound, inbound, physical inventory, all these things at the front, these are the category nodes. Okay. Profile node lies under the category node. See, we have not done the outbound. Okay, and just take the inbound delivery. This profile node lies under the what is that category node. Okay, so here I said if I double click on the inbound, I'm not getting anything to enter here. Okay, I should get some selection parameter. Okay, I'm not getting it. Okay, then this is the category node. I'll just double click on the document. Still, I'm not getting anything. Okay, still I'm not getting anything to enter. Okay, I'll click on the inbound delivery. See, this is where I have got some other what is that screen to enter the different selection parameters. Getting the idea? Then it is called as a profile node. Any doubts here? Until this, any doubts? No. Okay, so once you get the profile node, okay, so document is there. Under that, you see, I'm on the document, I'm double clicking, nothing is opening. But once I double click on the inbound delivery, it is opening some selection parameters. Okay, so this is called as a profile node. And if you are checking something inside this, these are called as the methods. Okay, these are called as the methods. We're going to call these as the methods. Let us consider I don't want to open them. Okay, just double click on this. Okay, let us consider, see, if I am not having any inbound delivery, if you are just executing this, all the inbound deliveries, whatever it is generated, okay, whatever it is generated, it will come over here. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, just execute this. For the warehouse 1100, these are the different inbound deliveries what we have generated till now. That is the what is that meaning here. Okay, these are the only inbound deliveries what we have generated till now. Okay, so once I'm going to select some inbound delivery. Okay, once I'm going to select some inbound delivery, and here at the top you can see now these are all called as a methods. You can see these methods over here also. Okay, if you are seeing the same methods, okay, inbound delivery item, warehouse order. Okay, warehouse task is there, warehouse task is there, handling it is there, handling it is there, attachments are attachments. So these are called as a methods. Okay, these things are called as a methods. Okay, here also you can see a list view, and if you are opening it here, this to form view, here is the form view. Okay, and whenever it is a list view, we can able to extract all these documents. See, in the PRDI screen, okay, in the maintain inbound delivery, that is the screen, we have seen same kind of things. Okay, list view as well as the form view. Now here also you can able to extract these things. Okay, and if you go to form view, you will going to get the entire details. Okay, you can see the details of the GR, okay, when it is happened, okay, where it is processed and completed, like that. Okay, see, this is the document number, like inbound delivery number. If you go down, see here, put away it is completed, put away status completed, unloading completed, goods is it completed, and when it is created on this particular date. Okay, so delivery date is this much, and the ship to party when is like that, and ship from 7:13. Okay, all these things you are getting it here. Okay, if I just I will going to minimize the form view, and I'll going to come to the list view here only. Okay, here if I click on the warehouse tab, any of these methods, okay, not only the warehouse tab, any of these methods, and just click on the warehouse task now. One child area will going to open. No, just meant the okay, warehouse order. Oh, sorry, something. Okay, we have not yet created something. Warehouse order. Else I'll just double in the warehouse order. Execute. No objects meet the selection criteria. Let's remove this. Execute. Warehouse orders already generated. That is why. Okay. See these are the warehouse orders what we have having. And here, this is the inbound warehouse order. Okay, the status is completed here. Okay, once I'm going to select some warehouse order and say the warehouse task, this under this whatever the warehouse tasks are there, it should show here. But see, something is it is not coming. Okay, whether it is see this is the warehouse order for which we have created the warehouse task. Okay, here it should come here downside. Okay, or else I'll just double click on the warehouse task and I'll just execute this. Yeah, these are the different warehouse tasks which are available, but why they are not coming, we have to check it. Okay, so anyway, you understand here, this is the one profile node. Under one profile node, we are getting the different methods. This is the parent area. Okay, for this, actually, we will going to get some details over here. This is called as a child area. Okay, we're going to see that. Okay, now I'm going to create one more inbound delivery, and we're going to check how it will be operating and all. Okay, so here we're going to get the child area, and we have given this particular what is that one series for the warehouse task and two series for the warehouse documents. Okay, so we can able to see how it is differentiating, and it is taking the what is that WPT 1010, and this is the item, and HU type is there if you have using the HU type, and here some process code. Okay, here process category description is there, postage or goods processing. Okay, all these things are available. So it will be giving entire details of particular warehouse task. If you just clicking it here and go to the form view, okay, you can see about this warehouse task, you will going to see the entire idea. Okay, so it will going to give you the complete details. Okay, complete detail of the entire idea. Okay, so where it is coming and where it is going. Okay, which bin it is taking, who is the owner, who is the party entitled to dispose, what is the goods receipt time and date. Okay, all these things are available for us. Okay, so this is what the monitor is all about. Okay, even you can see the physical inventory under this also you're going to get certain things. Okay, and if you are clicking on the stock and bin, here also you're going to get certain things. Okay, so let us consider what we will do. We're going to create one more inbound delivery for the different material, and we're going to check it now. Okay, see, I have created for only one material. Okay, so we'll just take the second material, and we're going to check how it will going to work. Okay, I'll just go to the PRDI screen just to take my what is that some party entitled to dispose. I need to check it here. Okay, so I else remove it and execute. That's it. Okay, here I have the inbound deliveries. Okay, I'll just double click on this. I just want to take the purchase order. Okay, here I can see that. Okay, I'll just take this copy. Okay, go to the version of the purchase order and create it and come over here again. Okay, /n me 21n, click enter. I am creating the purchase order for the material 2. Okay, I have the material 2 also. How we will going to create the purchase order based upon the previous purchase order? Just check where is the purchase document here. Okay, See what I'm doing. You can do it in two ways. Okay, one thing we're going to do it here, or the second way is just make the document overview on here. Okay, just make the document overview on, and here we have a different purchase orders which are created for us. Okay, this is the latest one. Just adopt it. Okay, adopt it means it is coming over here. Okay, so I will just take it as a mat 2. Click enter. Okay, I'm just now considering the mat 2, and delivery date I am going to change it because it is the previous date, and just give any date in the future. Okay, this is supplier, everything is perfect. Okay, I'm ordering 100 quantity. Okay, net price is 1 USD I have given. Okay, if you are checking in the further, I have given the storage location and the plant also. Okay, this is the storage location. So this is the plant and this is the storage location for me. And I'm receiving the material from this particular vendor. Here, one important thing is that in the confirmation tab, I should maintain the inbound delivery. In the confirmation tab, I should maintain the inbound delivery. Okay, this is must. Okay, I will just go and check this whether the PO is correct or not. Okay, if there is no messages, just save this. Okay, I have created the PO that is 1202. Okay, just go to /NPL31N. What is this? I am maintaining the inbound delivery, means creation of the inbound delivery here. Okay, this is the PO number. Just copy it, paste it here. I am going to say for mat 2. Okay, mat 2 test 1. Okay, so just click enter. Here I have ordered 100 products, but as of now, I will just take some 5 products. Okay, 5 products. Okay, I'll just create this and I'll just save this. See, here inbound delivery got generated and it is distributed to WMS. Okay, just copy this inbound delivery. Copy this. Okay, first just check. Okay, what is the status? Display. Go inside. And the document flow here it is open. Okay, this is first thing. Second thing, I'll open the second screen. Here you can check the MMBE transaction. MMBE. The material is 1100 mat 2. Okay, 1100 is the plant. Just execute this and check it here. Where is the material? Material is in on order stock, and here you can check at the left side, this is the ROD storage location. There is no mentioning up of the AFS storage location here. Please do observe this. Okay, this is important now. Okay, I'm just showing this one only. Okay, see, this is in the ROD storage location. Okay, 100 stocks. We are receiving it, or it is on order stock in the ROD storage location only. Okay, there is no AFS come to the picture here. Okay, what I said. Here, okay. What I said, whenever we are receiving the materials, the materials will going to come to the GR zone. Unloading will going to happen in the GR zone. And GR zone we have assigned for the ROD storage location. Correct, no? If you are getting any doubts, please do ask it here. Okay, so ROD storage location. And as I said, for the ROD storage location, we have assigned 001 as the availability group. Okay, availability group. Okay, where we have assigned, I will just show that. Again and again, we are going through this. Okay, so you have to remember where we have assigned this SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, interfaces. Go to the ERP integration, and in the goods moment, if you check map storage location from ERP system to EWM system, go to the 1100 plant. You can see ROD storage location, it is assigned to the 001 availability group. Okay, and AFS storage location, it is assigned to the 002 availability group. Okay, and our party entitled to dispose is 186. Okay, so like that we have assigned it here. Okay, now that is what I am showing in the MMB screen. You are not getting the AFS for the on order stock. On order stock, it is coming where? It is coming to the ROD only, ROD storage location only. And we have determined it. if it should come to the ROD like that, we have determined. Where we have determined, that also I'll show you. Okay, just go back. Okay, go to the logistic execution, go to the shipping here. Under the shipping, basic shipping functions, under that shipping point and goods receiving point, here, see, assign goods receiving points for the inbound delivery. We are determining this, okay? For our plan 1100, sorry, okay, 1100. Here you can see ROD is the storage location where we are receiving the material. We have determined it, okay? So, and we have created the PO also for that particular ROD storage location. So, now we are getting the materials in the on order stock and it is coming to the ROD storage location, okay? So, now what I will do, I will process it now, okay? Now, anyway, you know that our, what is that? Inbound delivery got distributed. So I'm just go to /n /SCWM /PRDI. This is the script. Just click enter. Okay. Here I'll just paste my inbound delivery number. This is my inbound delivery number. Just execute this. Okay, you can see the inbound delivery which is generated now. Okay, this is the ASN what we have given, right? Like mat to test like that we have given. We have ordered total how many products? We have ordered 100 products. Out of that, I'm taking only 5 products now. Okay, I'm taking only 5 products now. See, here if you go to the form view, you can see, observe it very carefully, okay? You can see warehouse process type 1010 is triggered, okay? And you can check F1 stock is there. Stock type is F1. Please do note of it, okay? When we are checking the material stock type, no, it is F1 at the ROD, means in the inbound, while creating the inbound delivery or maintaining the inbound delivery, stock type is F1, okay? And from where it is coming, it is at the GR staging area in this particular bin. Okay, 11 GR is one particular storage type for me. Under that, I have the bin. In this bin, it is coming and storing. Okay, this is one part. And here, the item categories are DLV, IDLV. Okay, and if we go and check the form in the header, okay, here nothing means not much detail should be there, but PDI and IND, these are important for us. Okay, everything you have seen in the what is that in the downside only. Okay, so what we have observed here. Okay, so okay, 1 minute, we're going to finish this, then we're going to write the observation for us. Okay, so what we will do now, okay, I'll just select this, go to the inbound delivery, following functions, warehouse task. Okay, we can go create the warehouse task here only. Just click on this. Okay, it came to the warehouse task page. Now, someone is joining, 1 minute. Okay, now it came to the warehouse task page here. Here, if you just select this and tell it to create, okay, it will not going to create because we have not yet maintained the strategies. Okay, so no destination bin is determined. So what I will do, I'll just maintain the destination bin by a default value. Okay, so I'll just put this material somewhere else in ST02. Let us consider. This is MAT2, no? MAT2, I'm going to put it in the ST02. Okay. You can put it in ST01 also, not an issue, but I'm just differentiating these things. Okay. Just click enter. See, I am putting this material in the ST02 now. Okay. Try to create it now, whether it is going to create or not. Now it is creating, means I am given the default value, what is the destination bin, and it is going there. Okay, just okay, warehouse task. If you click on the warehouse task, see, this is the storage type, source storage type, and this is the destination storage type. Okay, my source storage type is 11GR. Okay, if you expand this, you can see the 11GR section. It is mentioned here GRA1. Here I have not maintained the section. Okay, So it is going to the storage type ST02 and the destination bin ST02 01 01 01. Okay, this is the bin it is going. Okay, you can open this in the form also. You can just check everything. Okay, so this is how it is going to look like. Okay, so now just confirm it. Okay, and create plus save. I'm going to click. Okay, so it is going to the confirmation page. Okay, here you came to the confirmation page. Just observe this here. Okay, I'll go to the open the form view. Here you have the warehouse order 40002 and activity area ST02. Okay, this warehouse order creation rule, and it is not yet defined. Okay, we're going to see it. What is this and all? Okay, these are the things which are required for the labor management. While discussing about the labor management, we're going to check this. And here also we're going to create the resources and what is the queue, inbound or outbound, all these things we're going to maintain it. Okay, so all these things are not required as of now. Okay, and at the downside you can check, okay, the entire details, okay, where the material is coming from, where the material is going, okay, and what is the category, activity which is taking place, and for this activity to take place, which is the warehouse process type we are using, and what is the stock type. Okay, stock type is F1 here, still F1 here. And how many materials? 5 materials are coming. Okay. And just what I'll do, I'll just confirm and I'll say confirm plus save. Confirm plus save. I'll do. I have confirmed this inbound delivery. See, you can create the GR, then come over here. That is one thing. Okay. At the initial stage only, you can click on the GR and you can come over here. Or else, without the GR, if you are doing the put away, if you are doing the put away without doing the GR, then also we can say the GR will going to complete automatically. I have not clicked on the GR. Okay, I have not clicked on the GR, but you can check GR is also completed. It is automatic process here. Okay, GR will going to complete automatically once you have completed the put away. After the put away, no, you cannot change anything here. Okay, but once after the GR, you can reverse the GR, you can change the products, you can do anything. Okay. But after the put away, you cannot change anything in this document. Now, this document is completed for us. Okay. I'll just copy this, go to the monitor, go to the inbound delivery document, and here inbound delivery document, just put this document here, execute. Okay. So this is what the inbound delivery, it is generated. Okay. So it is generated. Just click on this, go to the warehouse order. Why this warehouse order and all, it is not coming. Just 1 minute. Slash n monitor. Inbound delivery warehouse order. If I'm giving individual, everything is coming, but it should come here only. If I'm selecting this and go to the warehouse task, it should show the warehouse task actually. What are the different warehouse tasks are available under this? It should show, but it is not showing here. It should come at the downside. Okay, we're going to check it. I will check it later on. So if you are checking the warehouse task also, and put the same inbound delivery number here and execute. Okay, you can see the warehouse task. Okay, this is how different things are generating here. Okay, it is saying the status is completed. Okay, and if you open the form, you are going to see each and everything. Okay, when it is completed, what are the different quantities it is completed. All these things it is showing here. Okay. Oh, one thing. Okay. So anyway, I have not shown you the one proper thing. Okay, here, if you refresh the screen, where our products will be now? If you refresh the screen, where our products will be now? Hmm? Yes? Yeah. Yeah, now the stocks are in on order stock. If I have refreshed this, actually, if I have just done the GR earlier, it would have come here. Okay. Now I have done the complete put away. Okay. Complete put away is completed. See here, after the put away, what is my storage location? AF is the storage location. It's the stock should show in the AFS. Then only it is correct. Or else some mistake is there like that. See, the stock is showing in the AFS storage location. Okay. See, I will just show you here in the monitor. Okay. Can just go to the stock and bin, storage bin, and physical stock. Double click on the physical stock. Okay. Here just view your product. 1100. Mat 2 is the product. Just execute for this. Okay. Say okay. You can see for this storage type, the whatever the stock I am receiving, this is in the F2 stock type. Stock type is F2. Getting the idea? Stock type is F2. Okay, how it is coming or how it is differentiating. Okay, what is our observation here? Okay, so this is how the monitor will going to work actually. Okay, this is how the monitor will going to work. But here, if you are checking the things, what is our observation? Our observation is, we'll just write our observation. Okay. This is for the availability group. Okay. Observation. See, in EWM, the stock type is F1 means, okay, that is in ERP, stock is at ROD. Okay, I have not yet shown this, right? We will going to create one more inbound delivery, then I can able to show that. See, now if you are going to the document flow, it is completed only. It is completed only. Okay. So what I will do, I'll quickly create one more inbound delivery. Okay, /n PL31N. Okay, here this is the one. Here I'm going to take test 2. Okay. Here I'm going to take 10 products. Okay, 10 products. Let us consider. Okay, click enter and save it here. 10 products I'm taking now. Save it. Okay. So this is the delivery which is created. If you go and check in the MMB, okay. So 95 will be the on order stock. Okay. So if you are refreshing at the also same thing will be showing it here. Nothing is changed because I have not done anything. Okay. I have just created one inbound delivery now. Okay. The inbound delivery is 2730 is the inbound delivery for me. Okay. What I will do, I will just process this in the PRDI screen. Okay. I will go to the PRDI screen 2730. Execute this. See what I will going to do. Earlier I have just completed the entire put away. Once you are going to complete the entire put away, your GR is created automatically. Now, initially only I am going to create the GR. I'll just click on the GR. Okay, once I'm going to receive the goods, where your goods will be. Now, if you check the what is that MMB screen, where your goods will be now. ROD. Exactly. Okay. 10 quantities should come to the ROD storage location now. Okay. Because whenever you are receiving the goods are come and stays at the GR zone only. Okay. We are not putting them directly into the storage type. Okay. They are in the GR zone. Okay. We'll just check that. Whether it is in ROD or not. Okay. Just refresh this screen. Okay, you can see 10 quantities are there in the ROD storage location. Okay, now I'm going to process it. Okay, see if you are checking it here, it is in ROD. Goods it is happened, it is in ROD. But what is the stock type here? Stock type is, you can see here downside. The stock type is F1. Okay, stock type is F1. Now I will just process it completely. Warehouse task. Okay, I'll say I'll give the default values here. So it will not going to take 302. Some bin I am going to change it as 10010102. The second bin I am considering. I'll just say create plus save. It will going to create. Okay, and go to the confirmation page. Then confirm it. Okay. So I have, okay, is not yet confirmed. Okay, it is confirmed. Okay, it is confirmed. Go and check the stock where it is where the stock is available. If you refresh this here, it should become 15. Okay, I'll refresh the screen. Now you can see all the stocks are in AFS storage location because it is moved here. Okay, we have moved the stock from the GR zone to the final storage type. So that is why the stock type is F2 here. I have to say F2. Okay, where I am going to check that in the monitor, go here. Okay, if here 5 quantity you are seeing, if I refresh this, okay, if I refresh this, it should become 15. Refresh it. See, 10 more quantities we have received now. Okay, this is in the bin 2. Sorry, it shouldn't become 15 because it is in bin 1 and now we have taken the bin 2 so that here 10 quantities are available. Okay, and the stock type is F2. Any doubts until this? Any doubts until this?
Yeah, Sri, one doubt.
Yeah.
With good receipt, we have understood before that you have done one step, right? Without good receipt.
Without good receipt. No, without good receipt, what I have done?
Yeah, means how directly it went into that put away.
Oh, okay. You can do the put away, right? See, without clicking on the goods receipt also, you can do the put away. It is not an issue, okay? But at that time, what will going to happen? The goods receipt will going to complete automatically once you are directly doing the put away. Put away means you are saying anyway it should pass through the staging only, okay? Anyway, it should pass through the staging only. You are unloading and directly you are taking the stock, okay? The whatever the forklift is there, no, it is unloading from the what is that truck, okay? And they are not storing it, okay? There are some what is that HUs are coming, okay? Only one big HU is coming, okay? Only one big HU is coming. Some crane is lifting it. They don't want to disturb it here, okay? They don't want to what is that keep it in the GR staging area. They directly keep it in some storage type only directly. Okay, that time your GR also is going to complete automatically, right?
Yeah, got it. But what you did here?
Nothing. I just went like I will going to create one more inbound delivery for you. Okay, here if you are checking this inbound delivery, just now we have created now. If you display this, okay, this is completed in status. Okay, it will show the complete status. Okay, so just go back. As Sunesh is asking, we're going to create one more inbound delivery VL31N. Directly we are going here, okay? And just go and make it as a test 3. Click enter. I'll just take some 2 materials here, or else some 3 materials I'm taking. Okay, I'm differentiating the what is that number here. Okay, just save this. One more input delivery got distributed. Go to the PIDA screen. Okay, just give 31 here. Execute. Okay, so you can see the goods receipt is not started and nothing is started. I will directly go to the inbound delivery and following functions and where stuff like that I will be going. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, here I'm not just clicking on the goods receipt. Nothing will going to happen if I'm not clicking on the goods receipt. Okay, you can just directly go to the good warehouse task. Okay, we'll complete this. Default values. Give ST02 and I'll take this stock in some other bin and create plus save and confirm it. Once you are confirming it, automatically that GR will going to generate. Okay, and confirm it. Go back. Now you can see the goods receipt is completed here. Okay, directly I am taking it. Okay, will also not cause any harm to us. Okay, so if you are checking all these things, okay, what we have seen, observation is what? Yeah, here is our observation. Okay, our observation is what? In EWM, when the stock type is F1, okay, in ERP, the stock is at ROD, and in EWM, Then the stock type, okay, and the stock type is F2. In ERP, stock is at AFS. Correct, no? This is what our observation is till now. We have seen this, right? Yeah, hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Means I can write one sentence here. Then, if this is the case, then there is a relation between stock type and storage location. Stock type and storage location. Am I right? Then there is a relation between the stock type and storage location, where we have given this, where we will going to maintain it. Okay. So this is what we have maintained in the. Okay, I will just go to the /n SPRO IMG stock type and storage location. I am showing it here. Okay, IMG SCM EWM extended warehouse management. Here interfaces, ERP integration, goods movements. Just now I have shown you map storage location from ERP system to EWM. Here 110 00. Okay, here ROD means 001 availability group. AFS means 002 we have given. Okay. In the form of availability group, we are differentiating the stock type. As I mentioned, this availability group is nothing but, okay, I will just go here. Availability group is nothing but it will help us to understand the stock type. Okay, which stock type it is, it will going to understand by the availability group only. Okay, this will going to give us, it is giving the updation of the stock type. Okay, and this availability group will going to provide the updation of the stock type, and we should have something. Okay, we should have something which will going to give how we will going to put this availability group, and how we will going to create this, and what are the different stock types we have assigned for this. All those things we need to check it now. Okay, and I will show you in ERP side now. If in ERP side, ERP, and if you are checking different stock types, okay, where we will going to see the different stock types, you can just go to the transaction MMBE only, and you can check it here. Okay, I have in the MMBE transaction. Here, this is the unrestricted stock. Okay, this is one particular stock type. Okay, here is the quality inspection stock. This is called as a quality stocks. Basically, 4 stock types we're going to get. Okay, consignment and all, forget them. Okay, but mainly this unrestricted, quality, block, and reverse we're going to get. Okay, this block and reverse will be there in the block stock only. Okay, but reverse stock means that is the returns we're going to see. Okay, these two are the different stocks, and these two. Okay, totally we are getting 4 different stock types in ERP. Okay, whatever the stock type you are getting now, they are called as a non-location dependent stock types. Okay, I will just provide it here. Okay, in MMB, what we have seen? We have seen unrestricted stocks. Okay, second is quality, block, and return. These are the different stocks what we have seen. Okay, unrestricted, these are the stock types in ERP. Okay, stock types in ERP. What are the stock types in ERP? Unrestricted, quality, block, and return. They also maintained as FF for the unrestricted, QQ for the quality, BB for the block, and RR for the return. They are nothing but the non-location dependent stock types. Observe this. Okay, what do you mean? What is the meaning of this non-location dependent? wherever they might be, okay, whatever the location might be, they are not depending upon the location at where they are resided, okay. So they are non-location dependent stock types, okay. FF means wherever it might be, it is FF only, unrestricted only. Wherever it might be, it is quality only. Wherever it might be, it is block only. Means what I'm saying, it might be in the whatever the stock you are receiving at the ERP end, okay. If you are just considering at the ERP end, if you are receiving it in the GR zone, this is FF only, that is unrestricted use only. If it is moving to some storage type, this is FF only, okay. In ERP I'm telling, okay, in ERP, please observe this, in ERP I'm telling, okay. If it is an AFS location, if it is an ROD, it doesn't matter, it is FF stock type only, okay. But in EWM, it will going to change. How it will going to change, okay. For that, I will just show you one more picture. This is standard, okay. Whatever the picture I'm going to show now, it is standard. So I have not. Okay, we will going to get this in the internet also. EWM. Images. Well, meeting room. I forgot to put that picture. This picture is also not that clear. It is blurred. Okay, anyway, can you able to see this picture? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Tomorrow I am going to put that picture and again I am going to tell you, but just observe this here, okay? We have having a different stock types as I said, okay? So in what is that? In EWM, if it is a FF stock, okay, if it is a FF stock, okay, that is F1 and F2 will going to consider, okay? So in ERP end, if you are considering it is FF stock, okay? In EWM, for the FF stock only, based upon the availability group, it will going to convert as a F1 to F2. Okay, based upon the availability group. Okay, here I am going to define that also. Okay, these are the non-location dependent stock types. I'm going to keep it here. Okay. And these are the different stock types, or else I'm going to make it different colors. Okay. And this is the quality stock. For quality, we're going to get a Q3 and Q4. For block, we're going to get the B5 and B6. Okay. And for return, we're going to get the R7 and R8. These are the different stock types. Okay, I'll just write availability group 001 here and here. Sorry, 001 here and here it is 002. These are the availability group. Okay, in short, I'll write it here. Okay, so if it is 001, whatever the unrestricted stock, if it is there in ERPN, in 001, it is going to take it as a F1 stock. Stock type is F1 here. And if it is moving to the 002, that is nothing but the F2 stock. Where we have assigned this, okay? What are the storage locations which are assigned to this? 001 is assigned to ROD and AFS is assigned to 002. Correct, no? We have seen this, okay? And when in the quality, you are receiving the quality stock, let us consider. And if this quality stock, if it is in the ROD storage location, then availability group is assigned to ROD storage location is 001. Then there is the stock is Q3. Okay, the stock type is Q3. And the same stock, quality stock, once I am going to complete the put away, the completed put away means it will go to the AFS storage location. We have assigned the availability group 002 for the AFS storage location, and there the stock type is Q4. Getting the concept? Any doubts here? See, the same stock types, they are changing in the EWM end. Okay, the same stock types which are there at the ERP side, they are changing the EWM end. Okay, if it is block, okay, then it will be B5 and B6 based upon the availability group. Based upon the availability group, it is B5 and B6. If it is written, that is only RR in the case of what is that EWM. But based upon the availability group, it will going to change to R7 or R8 based upon the availability group. Okay. So this is what we have seen it just now. Understanding the concept, right? It is very important. And where you have given 002, any idea where you have given this availability group? Any idea?
Goods movement ERP case.
Yeah, there we have given, but we have assigned this availability group somewhere else. We have assigned it for the storage type. Okay, different storage types we have assigned it. Where we have assigned it, I'll just show you that. Okay, go back. Sorry. Go to the reference IMG, SCM EWM, Extended Warehouse Management. Here, if you are seeing the master data and go to the storage type, go to the ST01 for your 1100. Okay, go to the ST01, double click on this. You can see at the downside, available group is available here. Correct, no? So that is why whenever the stock is moving at the ST01 or ST02, the stock type is changing to F2 because we have assigned a 002 for that. Then imaginarily we can consider it as an AFS storage location. Got the idea? Any doubts here?
No.
See, I have brought the stocks until this. Okay, now I have taken the trolley and I have brought the stock until this. I have not yet kept it into a storage type 1. What is this stock type here? I have not yet kept the stock in the storage type. What is the stock type here?
F1.
Exactly, F1 only, but I have bifurcated. Okay, here I have written ROD and AFS. Don't consider this entire portion is the AFS. It is that, what is that imaginary portion? Only we will consider this as a AFS now. Got the idea? Until and unless you put the material into the some storage type, it is still a F1 stock type only. Once it is moved to the storage type, then only the stock type will going to vary to F2, because here available group assigned it as a 002, and this available group we have assigned it to AFS storage location.
See, we are not putting any storage type before this ST01. We are not putting any storage type. So how we will consider this is 001? 001.
Here, okay, yeah. See, whenever we are receiving the material, right? That we have said that the material should receive it at the GR zone. Correct, no?
Correct.
Okay, the GR zone is assigned with the ROD storage location. Is that clear?
Clear.
So in the GR zone, I have assigned ROD, and this is that is what the imaginary. Okay, this is the imaginary. Here we have defined our available group as 001 for the ROD storage location. If it is 001, F1 will be the stock type. Sorry, 1 minute. 001, F1 will be the stock type here. Okay, and because of this, it is considering everything as ROD only. So whatever the yellow portion is there, it is considering as ROD only. And if it is a deconsolidation station, VAS, everything it is ROD only. Okay. Okay. So tomorrow what we will do is, okay. And one more important thing. Okay. So today it's almost okay. I will just show where the availability group is created, and we have to work on this availability group. Like I will going to bring some quality stock, some blocked stock, how these stocks are differentiating, and we can create our own availability group, and we can able to check that. Okay, and by this also I can be able to give one particular sentence here. Okay, one sentence here: storage location to availability group is 1:1 ratio only. Okay, this is very important sentence. Okay, storage location to availability group is 1:1 ratio only. If one storage location is there, you will going to find only one availability group for that. If 100 storage locations are there in the EWM, you have to maintain 100 availability group for that. Okay, recent past I have received one what is that ticket on this particular thing, because they have not maintained the EWM storage location. They want to send the stock into EWM storage location. Okay, they have maintained some 1002 as the EWM storage location, and somewhere else the 1004 is there. This is not EWM storage location. Okay, once I have checked that, they want to send the stock here, but instead of that, in the PO they have put this storage location and they have sent the stock. How it will going to move now? Okay, in the 1002, we have maintained confirmation key, but here confirmation key is not required for us, but it is already inbound delivery is created. Okay, now they want to do the posting over here. Okay, this was a very urgent requirement for them. Again, what we have done, we have just changed the, by debugging mode only we have resolved this activity. Okay, so we have just changed the stock storage location there, that is completed their issue. Okay, but that is not suggestible. If it is the case, we cannot able to reverse this also, because inbound delivery is created. Whatever the reverse things should be happened, that has to be happened in the EWM end only. But in EWM end, we will, this storage location is not maintained with the availability group. If you want to take, initially we need to maintain the availability group, then take the stock, reverse it, again do it for the 1002. That was the very biggest process, but we have given the very simple solution to change it in the debugging mode. Okay, so that had happened and they are happy about that, but that should not be done actually. Okay, so here I have given storage location to availability group. is 1:1 ratio only. Okay. So with this, what we are going to see here, we have what is that, define the availability group, and how we are going to define it, whether we will going to define the new availability group or not, everything we're going to discuss in the next class. Okay.
Yes, see, here one doubt.
Yeah, please ask.
Okay. Storage location if ST01 is there, ST02 is there, that all everything is AFS only, right?
Yes.
One availability group.
Yes. No. See, that the storage location and ST02, they are the storage types. Okay.
Yeah, storage type. If ST01 first bin I am telling.
1 minute, this one color I am going to change, or else I cannot write anything on here. Yeah, tell me. Yeah.
Okay, so in ST01, that is one storage type.
Okay.
Said that I am considering first bin. Okay.
Okay.
So for that, the availability group will be 002.
Yeah, entire ST01 is available. Entire ST01 itself is 002.
So if I consider ST02, that also availability group will be 002, right?
Correct.
So then how it will be 1:1?
See, this is the storage type, bro. We are discussing the storage location. Okay, what sentence I have given here? Storage location to availability group I have given. I am not given the storage type to availability group, correct?
Okay, location.
Yeah, storage location to availability group is 1:1 ratio only. One storage location, ROD means it should have only one availability group, that is 001. If it is AFS, this is having just availability group, that is 002. We will create our own storage location, means third storage location we are going to create something. For that also we should give one availability group, then only we can move further, or else not possible. Okay. So we're going to see how we're going to create the availability group, where the availability group are maintained, all those things we're going to see in the tomorrow's class. Okay, we will going to create one availability group, and also we're going to check that. Okay, and then we're going to bring up some different stocks. Okay, how the stocks are changing here. Okay, how the stock types are changing, all those things you can able to check it. Okay, so that one we're going to do it tomorrow. So as of now, today, I think you are clear with this particular part. Okay. So tomorrow's class, we're going to see this availability group, and we're going to proceed further. Okay.
Sri, one quick query.
Yeah.
So in MRP area, you are mentioning that we are having FF, QQ,
Yes.
BB and RR. These are all the stock types, right?
Correct.
So I don't remember where we maintain this FF.
No, we have not maintained, but this is the stock types what we're going to consider. Okay. Stock types, if you are
Is that also changeable? I mean,
no, these are not changeable. These are the standard ones. Okay. Just say stock types in ERP. Okay. Everywhere you can read about this. Okay. Actually, it will going to give the validated stock and non-validated stock. In the validated stock only, is going to get all these things. Okay. In the validated stock, yeah. Okay, validated stock, we're going to get unrestricted use, quality and block. Okay, and that is return, but that return we're going to consider it. Okay. So return means vendor returns will come. Okay. Some customer returns will be there, means that is also considered as a return stock. Okay. So all those things we're going to see it. They are the different stock types. Okay, if you just in the you can see these are the different stock types. How we're going to differentiate them at the EWM? We are just checking it out. Okay.
No, Sri, I think Dinesh is asking FF, QQ, and RR. Is there any notification showing?
No, they are the standard. Even I haven't seen them in the site.
Yeah.
Okay.
FF, QQ, we are not seeing.
Yeah, you are right. Okay, so whenever we are creating the purchase order, no, I will just go to the slash and or ME23 and you can go. Okay, in ME23 in the delivery, okay, we can see here are the stock types. Okay, so unrestricted, block, the quality like that, it will come now. So the stocks are available here only. The stock types is available here, but I haven't seen where they have maintained the FFQ2 and all. Okay, but that is what we're going to consider at the EWM side. Okay. Yeah. So this is how we're going to see the different stock types and how they are changing and all. We have seen it today, but tomorrow we're going to check, okay, why it is changing, okay. So or else why we have discussed, okay. We're going to bring up some quality stock. Whether the quality stock will going to take it as a Q3 or Q4, we're going to check it. Why it is taking Q3, Q4? If it is a block, why it is taking B5, B6? Okay, where they have maintained everything, we're going to check it. Okay.